the show. Oh no! They shrunk me! I thought they had left.
Well, time to go. See you soon in our next I Love Toy Trains show, Ticket to Ride. Trains, get 'em on your mind.
Running full steam and right on top. Big steam engine roaring out of the past. Rolling like thunder and lightning fast. How I love the roar of the rails. 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 Listen to the rhythm of the tickety clack. Big locomotive chugging down the track. Thick black smoke reaching up to the sky. Boxcars dancing from side to side. How I love the roar of the rails. 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 Steambound rising, I can feel the heat. Distance pounding to the railroad beat, pulling me back to yesteryear. Oh, how that sound is music to my ears. How I love the roar of the rails. How I love the roar of the rails. How I love the roar of the rails. How I love the roar of the rails.
A new, exciting I Love Toy Trains video for a new generation. I Love Toy Trains, all aboard. More spectacular special effects than ever seen in a train video. Flying saucers, UFOs, jet airplanes, jet trains, aliens, ghosts and goblins, and your favorite candies being loaded and unloaded on Lionel accessories at the Big Rock Candy Mountain. See America's largest G-scale outdoor layout, a giant Lego layout, and a jet-powered Bud car which set a speed record that still stands today. Plus 6 new songs by our favorite singer-songwriter, James Coffey. Hop on board for a boxcar full of laughs, fun, and wall-to-wall train action. The 14-part I Love Toy Trains is one of the best-selling children's video series in the country. It has thrilled and delighted millions of kids and grown-ups. I Love Toy Trains, all aboard, is wall-to-wall train action for a new generation of train fanatics. There's so much train action and fun, you'll want to see it again and again to make sure you see it all. I Love Toy Trains, all aboard?
Oh no!
Since 1993, our I Love Toy Train video series has sold almost 3 million copies. Why so popular? Consider the ingredients. Toy trains, real trains, amazing special effects, funny toy train bloopers, the original music of award-winning singer-songwriter James Coffey, and a sweet spirit that appeals to both kids and grown-ups. So for our 20th anniversary, we digitally enhanced the original video, remastered in widescreen, added many new shots, and came up with the best of I Love Toy Trains parts 1 through 6 and parts 7 through 12. See how diesels, electrics, and steam locomotives work. Freight and passenger train roaring past mountains and over bridges. Learn about signals, how track is repaired, the names of freight cars, different types of bridges, and don't miss the dinosaur train. The series has received rave reviews in the national media, parenting magazines, and library journals. The series has won numerous awards, including the prestigious Parents' Choice. Kids learn, laugh, and want more. You will too. The best of I Love Toy Trains is for anyone who loves trains, no matter your age.
That's the reason I love Toy Train.
TM's golden age of toy trains is the story of toy trains in America during their glory years, 1945 to 1966. Lionel and American Flyer, two names that are riveted in the memories of anyone who grew up in the late 40s and 50s. TM's new DVD takes you back to those happy times right after World War II, when toy trains topped every kid's wish list. Fierce loyalties ran deep and still do. Lionel dominated, but American Flyer had their loyal following. So did Marx, AMT, and Kusan. The catalog illustrations made the trains look powerful and irresistible. Reality lived up to the fantasy. Remember the Lionel Santa Fe F3 Diesel, American Flyer's Northern, the Milk Car, Sam the Semaphore Man, the giant ZW Transformer with two handles, Plasticville. This DVD is for anyone who ever played with a toy train. Hear the whistles blow? Let the memories flow. From TM Books and Video. Buy it. You'll love it. Guaranteed.
Now departing on track 9, the Railroads on Parade Express.
All aboard for a spectacular video tour of Railroads on Parade. A magical 5,000 square foot railroad extravaganza located in scenic Pottersville, New York.
See the mountains rising high to a big blue sky. Over the bridge and through the towns, those trains go passing by. Stroll along Park Avenue on a sunny summer day. Sights and sounds, so come on down and journey far away. That's the railroads on parade. Coming down that track, so be prepared to be amazed. It's the railroads on parade. Bring along the whole family. It's full of fun and memories. A magical train fantasy you have to see.
We've said this before, but never with more justification. Prepare to be amazed.
If you like Tractor Mac books and Red Iron, you'll love the Tractor Mac Show. The Tractor Mac Show is a fast-paced blend of fun stories, original music, educational segments, vintage Farmall tractors, and Case IH tractors. See the pages of Billy Steer's books come alive with sounds and motion. See vintage Farmall tractors on parade at the Red Power Roundup. Kids will learn about the main parts of a tractor and how a gas-powered engine works. See Case IH tractors working in fields and giant steam-powered tractors hissing steam, belching smoke, and blowing their shrill whistles. This live-action, highly entertaining and educational DVD will thrill and delight both kids and grown-ups. Finally, a show the entire family can enjoy. 45 minutes of great red tractor action and fun. You want big, tough machine action? Look no further. Earth Mover Action Part 2 has it all. We visit the John Deere demonstration grounds in Moline, Illinois, where expert operators put all of John Deere's big machines to the test. excavators digging deep and loading big dump trucks, dozers pushing giant piles of dirt, graders leveling the ground on steep slopes, loaders lifting bucketfuls of dirt high, then dumping, skid steers, compactors, and backhoes too. Then to the forests of the Northwest, where we see full tree harvesting in action. Feller bunchers, skidders, knuckle boom loaders, and harvesters, cutting down trees and taking them to the sawmill. We also visit with Charlie the Wonder Dog, listen to Jim Coffey's toe-tapping music, and more. What we have here is non-stop big machine action and fun. Climb aboard.
It's John Deere Earth Mover action.